Hey everyone! Welcome to our food adventure in the Ivory Coast, also called Côte d'Ivoire. I'm so happy to show you this awesome country with its amazing food and traditions. Today, we're going on a trip to West Africa to explore the 10 best foods this awesome country has to offer. Get ready for tasty stews, refreshing drinks, and everything in between. Get ready for the magic of Ivorian food. Food brings everyone together. Get ready to try these yummy dishes. See why everyone in the Ivory Coast loves it. It's more than just a dish. It's a celebration of life, culture, and community. Next, we're trying something comforting and yummy alico, or fried plantains. We all know fried plantains, but in the Ivory Coast, they've made them perfect. Imagine ripe plantains sliced perfectly and fried until golden brown. Crispy on the outside, soft and sweet on the inside. It's often served with a spicy tomato salsa. Sweet plantains and spicy sauce? The perfect match. Whether you eat them as a snack in Abidjan or with a big meal, you'll want more alico. It's meant to be shared with friends and family, bringing everyone together with laughter, good times, and yummy food. Let's talk about kedjanu, a dish all about taking it slow. This Ivorian stew needs patience, letting the flavors mix over time. Imagine tender chicken in a rich sauce of tomatoes, onions, and amazing spices, cooked slowly in a special pot called a culinary. No fancy stuff, just pure Ivorian flavors. Cooked slowly for hours, kedjanu is made with love. It's usually served with attiéké or rice to soak up the sauce. This dish will warm you up and make you feel good. Chapter 4. Foutou, a culinary legacy. Let's explore a dish at the heart of West African food, including the Ivory Coast foutou. This dish is not just a staple, it's a symbol of unity and tradition. The ingredients are simple, yet they come together to create something truly special. More than just food, it's part of their culture. Families gather around a communal bowl, sharing stories and laughter, making every meal a cherished memory. This starchy side dish made from pounded yams or plantains shows tradition, resourcefulness, and how simple food can be special. The process of making foutou is labor-intensive, involving pounding and mashing until the texture is just right. The sound of pounding foutou is common in Ivorian homes, reminding people of family meals and traditions. It's a rhythmic sound that echoes through the villages, a reminder of the hard work and love that goes into every meal. Foutou is like the soul of Ivorian food. It's versatile and can be paired with a variety of dishes, each bringing out different flavors and textures. Dip it in peanut soup, okra stew, or spicy fish broth. Each combination offers a unique taste experience, making every bite a delightful journey. Foutou carries all those amazing flavors. It absorbs the rich, savory, and sometimes spicy notes of the accompanying dishes, enhancing the overall dining experience. It brings people together, reminding us about sharing meals and cultural traditions. In every bite of foutou, there's a story of heritage, community, and the joy of coming together to enjoy good food. Chapter 5. Garba, the taste of the streets. Let's explore Ivory Coast street food with garba. It's simple, tasty, and cheap. This street food mixes two favorites, fried tuna and attiéké. Imagine walking down a busy street in Abidjan, smelling fried food and spices. They take a lot of attiéké, add juicy fried tuna, and then add spicy pepper sauce. Garba is perfect for eating on the go. Fluffy attiéké, crispy tuna, and spicy sauce. It all goes great together. Garba is the heart of Ivorian street food, bringing everyone together for a yummy, cheap meal. Chapter 6. Plakali, a celebration of cassava. Let's try plakali, a simple but satisfying Ivorian dish. Made from fermented cassava, it shows how clever Ivorian cooks are, making this simple food delicious. Fermentation makes plakali a little sour and tangy, balanced by the cassava's sweetness. This dish is usually served with a rich soup, like peanut, palm nut, or okra soup. Plakali soaks up all the soup's flavors, creating a mix of great tastes. It will take you to the heart of Ivorian food and make you feel good. Let's celebrate tradition with bongi, a refreshing and culturally important Ivorian palm wine. This drink is not just a beverage, it's a symbol of the rich cultural heritage of the Ivory Coast. This naturally fermented drink, made from palm tree sap, has been enjoyed for generations. The process begins with the careful collection of sap from the palm trees. It is more than a drink. It shows hospitality, bringing people together in joyous moments. Whether it's a family gathering or a community celebration, bungi is always present. It represents celebration and a deep connection to the land. The palm trees from which the sap is harvested are a vital part of the Ivorian landscape. Farmers skillfully tap the trees to collect the sap, a process that requires both knowledge and respect for nature. Once collected, the sap is left to ferment naturally. This fermentation process is what gives bungi its unique tart and fizzy character. Fermentation makes bungi tart and fizzy, a refreshing treat that is perfect for a hot day. The bubbles that form during fermentation add to its appeal. On a sunny day, there's nothing quite like a chilled glass of bungi to cool you down. It's a drink that refreshes both the body and the spirit. It's a big part of Ivorian culture, shared at parties and celebrations. Festivals and gatherings are incomplete without the presence of bungi. Offering bungi to a guest is a sign of welcome. It's a gesture that signifies warmth and hospitality, making guests feel at home. So, in Ivory Coast, try bungi. Experience the tradition and the taste that has been cherished for generations. It's not just a drink, it's a taste of tradition. When you sip bungi, you're not just enjoying a beverage. You're partaking in a cultural experience that connects you to the heart of Ivory Coast. So raise your glass and toast to tradition with bungi, a drink that embodies the spirit of the Ivory Coast. Get ready for smoky flavors with poulet braise, loved everywhere in the Ivory Coast. This grilled chicken, marinated perfectly and cooked over coals, shows how simple grilling can be amazing. The secret is the marinade. Spices, herbs like ginger, garlic, onions, and chili give the chicken tons of flavor. Poulet braise is usually served with attiéké, alico, or onions. So many good flavors and textures. It's perfect for a quick lunch, dinner, or late-night snack. A true celebration of Ivorian grilling. Let's try sauce grain or palm nut soup, full of flavor and history. This classic Ivorian soup, made with oil palm tree fruit, is a West African staple, showing how versatile this ingredient is. The star is the palm nut, boiled, pounded, and simmered to get its flavorful oil. This oil makes the soup creamy and nutty. Sauce grain often has fish, meat, or vegetables. It's served with rice or foutou to soak up the flavors. For a true taste of Ivory Coast, try sauce grain. It's a dish that will take you to the heart of Ivorian cuisine. Finally, let's end with nvufu, a beautiful and delicious dish. This Ivorian delicacy made from mashed plantains and palm oil shows how creative Ivorian cooks are. Nvufu is all about balanced flavors and textures. The smooth, airy mashed plantains are a sweet base. The palm oil adds a rich, nutty flavor and a bright color. This dish can be a side or a main course, often with a spicy sauce or stew. It shows how Ivorian cooks make simple ingredients amazing. Thanks for joining our yummy trip through the best foods of the Ivory Coast. We've explored Ivorian food from the streets to family kitchens. Remember, food is more than just eating. It's celebrating culture, sharing stories, and connecting with people. So, next time you can try something new, be adventurous. Like, comment, and subscribe for more food adventures. Tell me in the comments which Ivorian dish you want to try most. See you next time.